Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a fundamental concept in computer science, databases. Specifically, we'll be exploring the differences between SQL and NoSQL databases. So let's get started. Before we dive into the differences between SQL and NoSQL databases, let's first understand what a database is. A database is a collection of data that is organized in a way that allows for efficient retrieval and manipulation. Databases are used in a variety of applications, from e-commerce websites to social media platforms. As you can see, a database is made up of tables, which are essentially grids of rows and columns. Each row represents a single record or entry in the database, while each column represents a specific attribute of that record. Now that we have a basic understanding of what a database is, let's explore the differences between SQL and NoSQL databases. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a relational database management system. This means that SQL databases are organized around relationships between tables. In other words, SQL databases store data in tables that are related to each other, much like how a spreadsheet stores data in rows and columns. SQL databases use a standardized language, known as SQL, to manipulate and retrieve data. SQL queries are powerful and allow for complex data manipulation. NoSQL, on the other hand, stands for Not Only SQL. NoSQL databases are non-relational, meaning that they don't store data in tables that are related to each other. Instead, they use a variety of data models, such as key-value, document, or graph, to store data. NoSQL databases are more flexible than SQL databases, as they allow for a wider range of data models. They also tend to be more scalable, as they can handle large amounts of data more easily. So there you have it, the main differences between SQL and NoSQL databases. While SQL databases are relational and use a standardized language, NoSQL databases are non-relational and more flexible. Each type of database has its own advantages and disadvantages, and the choice between them ultimately depends on the specific needs of your application. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching.